Hey guys, I'm Arantxa with LuckyVitamin, and today I get to share with you what's in my fridge. I follow a ketogenic diet, so what we'll find in here is a lot of fats, a lot of proteins, and almost no carbs. Except I do share my fridge with my boyfriend, so there will be some things that don't fall in line with my keto. Now, let's see what I have. So to start with the doors, this is most of our breakfast stuff. We both like our almond milk just for milkshakes, protein shakes after a workout. I don't know if you heard, but I said milkshakes at the beginning, and we don't drink milkshakes. I don't know how to make them, and they're definitely not keto friendly. I don't know why I said that. That's where the MCT also comes in, and for breakfast wise, with our coffees, we like to do bulletproof coffees. So generally, if we don't have a powder MCT mix, we just do the normal bulletproof. Some salad dressings, great toppings for the keto. Up along here, we're big condiment fans. Most of these things are great to whip up an easy keto snack or to put in a wrap. I have these great low carb wraps for my keto diet, so I like to do breakfast burritos, and I can kind of put whatever in there. Normally we have some sort of meat already prepared from a previous dinner. Couple snacks, got your eggs. Great thing about keto is it does allow me to still drink as long as it's a sugar-free and low-calorie drink. So we have some dry wines, some vodka, seltzers. This meat is going to be our dinner later. Just going to make up some meatballs, throw in some cheese, have some keto-friendly coleslaw in here, some peaches from a family friend. Again, big condiment fans. We have our hot sauce and then just general juices if we're out of limes or lemons. Now, this is where normally we have all of our vegetables. Usually we have celery and scallions for our our tuna salads or anything else. We got our Brussels sprouts for fiber along with our spinach. Always got to have avocados on keto or non-keto, because who doesn't love avocados? And then down here, I have all of my cheeses, because who doesn't love cheese? So goat cheese for salads. I've really gotten into buying blocks of cheese, and then I just shred it, and I make my own homemade no-carb Cheez-Its. Salad topping cheeses that Wyatt loves, right? And then I have chicken sausage, which is great for salads for lunch or breakfast burritos. Some snacky proteins, which is just deli meat, and then some more charcuterie style meats for snacks, and then bacon as well. So you kind of get all of your saturated and trans fat or non-trans fat proteins. And then the freezer have some more mostly frozen vegetables down here in case this is like our preserves in case we don't get to go to the grocery store. And then most of our seafood we do get frozen. So always have some salmon fillets. Every now and then we get tilapia. I just found some salmon burgers, which I have yet to try. And that's about it for our fridge. Thanks for hanging out, and I hope you guys dug what I had.